What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. If this is your first time checking out the channel and you want to learn how to save money by doing your own car maintenance, mods, and other car related topics, start now by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything. Alright, so if you've been following the channel, then you know that I've been using a product called SUPERWRAP. Basically, it's a sprayable, peelable vinyl wrap, similar to Plasti Dip, but in my opinion, way better. So I've done a few projects already using this product. I've done the window trim as well as the calipers on the E63. So those produce such great results. My wife said, "Hey, you gonna do my car too?" And of course, I said yes. So we got a color for her. Since her car is blue, and that's the Maserati, we're gonna do yellow. I think that's a good contrast between the blue and the yellow, and it should set the calipers off, giving just a nice subtle touch, but something different. So in this video, I'm not going to really do a step-by-step. It's going to be more of a just showing you another color in case you want to use that on your vehicle and you don't want the red. You can see how another color looks on the calipers. And then we'll do an update on how my calipers on the AMG has held up thus far. It's been about a month. So far so good, but I'll show those results at the end. So let's get going. Alright, so as you can see, the results were amazing. The yellow really looks good against the blue on the Maserati. So I am still pleased with the product. SUPERWRAP has proven once again to be a great product. I will continue to use it. So that's a thumbs up for that. So let's do an update on the AMG. See how the SUPERWRAP has held up over the past few months.
Back out fresh on the scene. 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 Franchise best on the team. 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 Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene.
Alright, so there you have it. The update on the E63 AMG is that the SUPERWRAP has definitely held up to the elements. It's been rained on, driven, highways, streets, I've washed the vehicle I don't know how many times, and I've been using a power washer. If you had any questions or concerns about it being power washed, I would say it's good to withstand that. Stickers have held up pretty good. So all in all, I still stand by the SUPERWRAP product. As I said before, I am not sponsored or endorsed by this product in any way, although I would like to be. SUPERWRAP, if you're out there listening, I'm just bringing you a product that I enjoy and that I use and that I love. I want you to enjoy it as well. I have a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Comment below, tell me what you think of the results. If you used the product, comment down below, let me know what your results were. And until next time, I'm out.